What you got?
I got some packages.
Well, let's see what's in the packages.
Okay, first I'm going to start with the small one.
That came yesterday. This was actually one order. This is one order. If you remember the other day when we had the little fire starter.
There's a snake in here.
There's a snake?
Yep.
Let's see.
Snake.
That is a survival necklace. Keep going.
Alright, let's see what this is.
I had cut it with the tape to help you do that.
And then we got this, and we got some string. That's all we got.
So I got this because I wanted to show this, but I got a use for it later, and I don't want to cut it all up. This is all from PSKOOK, the makers of the fire bow we tried the other day, and it is FireCord, Paracord. Here's a little sample, which is what we're going to play with. He's got a box in his head.
I'm a robot.
So inside the paracord, the kind that make up this necklace and the kind that make up that big old roll of cord, you've got the inner strings. There's also, and I don't know if you could see it, a piece of monofilament fishing line. So you got the strings, you got a piece of fishing line, and then this colored one, the thicker one, is actually a fire starter.
I'm making a ladder.
Or tinder for lighting fires. See? Look how good that burns.
Oh!
Now, and you use that
I want to light it.
when you light your fires. So if you were ever in a survival situation, you can just unravel this stuff, and when you've got a built-in fishing line and you've got a fire starter, plus you've got all these inner threads. So like I said, we've got this great fire cord. It comes, you know, with the fire tinder cord, the fishing line, cotton thread strand, all sorts of stuff, right? And we're going to make bracelets out of this.
I forgot I'm allergic to fire.
We also have, from the same company, these Paracord Winders.
Oh, I thought they were ladders.
We use some larger winders for our electric fence, if you remember from an earlier project. This is the same thing. That way you can wrap your paracord on there so it doesn't get tore up. But here's my favorite. What this is, same thing, it's a necklace. And it's adjustable. But it's got a piece of ferrocerium rod. And then it's got this metal knife that we can take out and use to strike the rod. Is it on camera? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go.
Are you making a fire?
I had a little bit. It was going.
Right here.
Oh, there we go. Look there.
Yo, that was cool. Oh! It's pointing straight to me.
And so William likes that, right? He likes lighting fires.
Mm.
And then we can just put it back on. And that's pretty sharp.
You know that's easy to make a fire. You set up like the wood and stuff, and then you just shoot it right at the wood and stuff, and then make a fire.
So, you know, that's basically a saw blade. It's pretty sharp. Come here, William. Come here.
Okay.
And we can put that on you when you go out camping, right? You dancing? Well, that's for survival. What happens if you're out lost in the woods? What do you do?
Hug a tree.
Hug a tree. Why do you hug a tree?
So your mom and dad can find you.
That's right.
Yeah, because if they like run away from the place, they can end up straight. They bump into something and they might be like right behind you.
That's right. And if you're looking for us and we're looking for you, we might be in different spots. But if you're hugging a tree, you're in one spot, right?
You know what? But why can't you just sit next to a tree?
What all did we get from the PSKOOK people? We got the rope, 100 feet of rope, right?
Yeah.
Paracord,
Good for hitting bears.
good for hanging bears.
Yeah, look.
Oh, hitting bears.
Yeah, and hanging bears when you cut them in half.
I don't think we might use it to hang our food in the tree so the bears don't get our food.
Yeah.
That would be useful.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, if it's like lunchtime and you're cooking your food and you want to go out and try more food, tie it to a tree like really high up, and then you bring a ladder with you, and then you can put it up, and then you can get your food again.
And we could use that to make paracord bracelets. We were going to make one for the sling for your rifle, weren't we? We got to make one for your gun?
Yeah, yeah, and maybe for my Nerf gun if it works.
Maybe for your Nerf gun.
Yeah.
And then we got the Paracord Winders, right? The Paracord Winders, show those. That was $4.80 for 6 of them,
Hey,
5
Dad.
of them. And then we got your necklace, and that was like, how much was your necklace? The necklace was $6.60, not bad, right? And then we got 2 little demo pieces of paracord to play with that you can light fires with, right? Everything work out good?
Yep.
You like it?
Yep. Bye, guys.